The ancient Silk Road opened the door to contact and trade between China and the world. Today, virtual business on the internet brings more possibilities for the development of global trade. Trade Tools, represented by B2B, has greatly promoted the development of global trade. Global procurement has begun. The internet age, which is an unprecedented period of prosperity. As a global buyer, faced with a large number of online Chinese suppliers, it's easy to be confused. You should find a suitable and high-quality Chinese supplier, but it will cost you a lot of time and effort. The efficiency will be low. If you choose to set up a dedicated office, you will face not only high operating costs, but also difficulties in transnational management, differences in national policies, culturals and languages differences. They all lead to challenges in business. Besides, long production cycles, remote transportation, factory inspection reliant on a third party, they all give rise to worries. To improve the quality of product and ensure the delivery, you have to repeatedly communicate with the supplier to confirm. There is a special platform, after exploring the needs of global purchasers, integrated with Chinese best supplier resources. The platform locates high-class Chinese-made products. It is easy to use, Internet Plus, to find the most suitable Chinese supplier. Their products have excellent quality and reasonable price. The platform provides professional one-stop shopping service, eliminates communication barriers for you, guarantees